The Rotary Club showered Moores Island with gifts to improve life for its 1,000 residents. The biggest? A generator for the all-age school. Rotary's Assistant Governor, Ken Strawn.
The Rotary Bahamas Disaster Relief is pleased to make this contribution of this equipment that will serve not only the school, but the community, as this institution serves as a hurricane shelter.
The TK Foundation funded the 45 kilowatt diesel generator that includes a 285-gallon reserve tank. The $50,000 gift was installed gratis by the Defense Force. Rotary also donated a Canon Copy Center, hundreds of books, and data to the Moores Island All-Age School, alma mater of Olympic champion Stephen Gardner. The Ministry of Education's District Superintendent Dominique Russell highlighted other Rotary gifts to Abaco.
And I think I sent Mr. Strawn a spreadsheet of $700,000 worth of things, and I didn't do it on my own. I sent to my principals, and I said to them, what do you need?
Rotary, in partnership with the Defense Force and locals paid by Rotary, are repairing 31 homes on Moores Island.
The Rotary Club has made us feel very, very special.
This is a win-win for Moores Island School, for Moores Island, for Abaco, and for the entire Bahamas. For Ed Talk, I'm Vaughn Albury.
Want to stay in the know? Subscribe. Text 819-BMOE. That's 819-2663. Remember to like and subscribe to our social media platforms.